Happy New Year, trendsetters. By the time you're watching this, it'll be 2019. I hope the rain gods are good to you and everything turns out the way you hope. It's going to be a new beginning here at my veggie garden. Finally succumbed to the idea that it's just never going to rain regular enough around here anymore, so I'm going to start implementing an irrigation system. But here's a little video to show you how dry I can get. Happy New Year. Comfrey, guys. Bloody good stuff. Organic gardeners and permaculturalists swear by it. But, and there's always a but, it does like a drink. Or the other side of the coin is it doesn't like to dry out. Now it's ridiculously hot and dry here again in our supposed wet season. But anyhow, I had to go away for a few days, which was Boxing Day. So what was that? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I came back Saturday. I gave it a really good drink before I left, and this is what I come back to. So as good as Comfrey is for everything, it still needs a drink. So I'll water this for another probably 5 minutes here. I've got a few other spots, and we'll come back in a couple of hours and I'll show you how well it does come back after a good watering. But you need to water your Comfrey. Well, it's been about an hour and a half now since I gave this Comfrey a really good watering after it was so down and out before. So it does bounce back quite readily. There's no real need to panic if you do see your Comfrey looking so sad. But anyhow, that's it for now. Happy New Year. All the best for 2019. And if you like this video or found it in any way interesting, I'd love it if you subscribed. I'd love to hear what you think about your thoughts on Comfrey in the comments below. Cheers.